Sure. So let me walk you through certain things. Okay.
Okay, Akash.
So you will get to know what I'm talking about.
Sure, Akash.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, Akash. No,
No?
yeah,
Are you able to see the escalator?
yes.
So today in this particular session, so
Mhm.
what we'll be going to understand is like what is a problem statement. Okay.
Okay.
So first we'll try to understand like a one use case first of all. Okay, like we'll take a like imagine that you are a detective. Okay?
Mm.
Imagine, give me a second. Give me a second. Let me grab one. Yeah, perfect. Let's say you're solving some mystery. Okay, like before you solve it, you have to know like what mystery is, right?
Mm.
What mystery is. Are you able to see? I think so. You are not able to, right?
Yeah. No, it's okay.
What mystery is? Okay, mystery is correct.
Yeah.
Like this, what mystery is, right?
Yes.
That exactly what the problem statement is. That is what exactly the problem is. Problem statement
Mm.
is.
Yeah.
That is what problem PS is. Problem statement is. Okay.
Mm.
I hope you got it now.
Yes.
Problem statement, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is like
I,
starting point of any data analytics project. Okay.
yeah.
So this is what the starting point of data analytics. Don't get annoyed, but this is what the thing is. Starting point of. Do you think that like a coding school is talking about this? Hmm?
Mm.
Do they are
Um,
focusing on these things basically?
like they have some sessions in that sessions like normal or talk sessions in that they focus on this.
No.
Mm.
So do they talk about problem statement? Why we need to do that? How we can frame that? Is that anything like that?
Mm. But no, they're not talk about the problem
Yeah,
stated.
that is what exactly the problem is.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's now talk about it is like a starting point. It tells what problem we are trying to solve. Okay,
Yes.
what we're going to talk about. It will tell us what problem we are trying to solve. What problem we are trying to solve. So what problem we are trying to solve. So this is what you will get to know, right? It is a starting point of a data analytics industry, data analyst
Mhm.
project. What problem we are trying to solve, that will this one that will be going to talk, correct?
Yes.
Now let's break down step by step to frame a problem statement, right? To frame a problem statement, we should ask, okay? We should ask some WH question, right? Who, what, when, where, why, and how.
Okay.
Okay, WH questions you need to ask to frame a problem to
Mm.
frame a problem statement. Correct?
Mhm.
Yes or no?
Yes, Akash.
So we'll try to understand this. Okay, WH questions like these questions helps us understand better. Let's see how this works in real life. Now, real world use case we'll try to take it. Okay, so you will try to understand here. So what are the things that you are researching? Okay, then what
Mhm.
are the questions that you are asking? Then you are trying to frame a one particular problem. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, so let's start with a healthcare industry. Now, let's say this is an healthcare domain. Okay, this is an healthcare domain where imagine like we'll try to build some analysis, okay? Understanding research. We have done the research, okay,
Yeah.
about this particular thing. Give me a second. We have researched some. So, what is research that we have done is imagine a hospital wants to reduce. Okay,
Okay.
imagine hospital want to reduce the patient time, wait time. As a data analyst, what are the set of questions that you would ask? What are the set of questions that you would ask? Imagine hospital wants to reduce the patient wait times.
Okay.
Data analyst, what kind of a set of questions that you will be going to ask?
Okay. So, like, you're asking like, patient time ask
Wait times, patient wait time.
okay.
As
Okay,
a data
like
analyst,
for
what?
example, I take it as like how many patients are visiting in a day.
Mhm.
And also in March, which is the peak time the patients are, which is the peak time hour the patients are reaching the hospital more.
Oh, so
Mm,
if I am a data analyst expert into this particular field, okay, I will ask this kind of questions. Okay, I will ask like who is affected, what
okay.
is the problem, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and why is it happening, and how can data help. Okay, these are the set of question. If I ask, this will be we can able to frame a problem statement. Correct.
Yeah.
So I will be gonna ask who is affected. I will be
Mm,
answering those questions. What is the problem? Why is it happening? How can data help? Who is affected? Patients and doctors. What
okay.
is the problem? Long wait time. Why is
Mm,
it happening? Maybe too many patients are not enough staffs or not enough staff.
mm,
And fourth thing, how can data help?
mm,
Okay. By analyzing this problem, like patient flow and staff schedules, we will try to frame a problem.
yeah.
So now problem statement will be now
Yes.
if we finally frame it correct.
Yeah.
So this should be something like that. It will goes like this. How can we reduce the patient times, wait times by optimizing staff schedule and resource allocation? Correct.
Yes.
This is the business problem. Okay, that we need to focus upon.
Yeah.
Okay, in the tomorrow session, we'll look into it how we can do this into a business problem, into the data problem. Lot of things in next session.
Okay, Akash.
Okay, so now let's take up another industry that is gaming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me see, let me talk about the gaming industry so that you will be familiar with it. So there is nothing new. Okay, each and every industry has the same thing.
Mm,
Okay, so let's say the game company noticed that. Okay,
okay.
what they noticed, game company noticed the player are quitting their game too soon.
Mm,
Okay, so as a data analyst, what set of questions that you would ask?
okay. Like first, ask what is the difficult level of the game? Yeah. Is there any time period that the game ends? Uh,
Okay.
uh,
So
how game is so exciting to play?
considering
Uh,
these factors, okay, who,
okay.
what, and why, and how,
Mm,
you have to answer in these things. What are the things that you will keep in mind?
mm-hmm.
Think. By the time I will
Yeah, I think.
do this, okay, think about it. It will
Yeah.
So first, who is quitting? It's a new player, correct?
Yes.
And what is the problem? High churn rate. High churn rate means the
Akash,
people.
your screen is
Yeah, it
stopped.
is not shared. I know.
Okay.
I am trying to ask you a couple of questions. After that, I
Okay.
will do that.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Who is quitting? What is the problem? High churn rate. What do you mean by high churn rate? The people are leaving the game.
Yeah.
That is called as high churn rate.
High generate.
Not high churn rate. It is high churn rate.
High John rate. Okay.
Churn. Churn.
Okay. Chon. High chon rate.
Yeah, not John rate. Churn.
Chon. Chon is CHON.
Churn.
Okay.
Let me share my screen
Yeah.
so that
High chon rate. Okay.
you're able to see my screen.
Yes, Akash. Yeah.
So, who is quitting? What is the problem? High churn rate. What is the problem? Is the problem is the high churning rate. Like people are leaving from
Mm.
the game. Okay. Why is it happening? Maybe the game is too hard or boring. Correct.
Yes.
How can data help? By analyzing the player behavior.
Mm.
Okay. By
Okay.
analyzing player behavior and feedback. Like you will answer a couple of questions in terms of feedback.
Okay.
Okay. So if you wanted to frame after addressing this, if you
Mm.
wanted to frame a problem statement, how would you go?
Also, problem statement will be like Come,
Frame
just a
it.
second, Akash. Just a minute. I'm organizing my thoughts. Just so the problem is uh, why the people are quitting the game.
That is what I am saying. Like frame
Yeah,
it.
the
Make
problem
it
is
problem.
that yeah, for the problem statement, okay,
Okay, I will frame it.
yeah, yeah. Just this time help on this, Akash. I will come up with another time.
Okay, so
Yeah.
how can we improve the retention and by identifying and addressing the pain points in first 10 minutes of a game?
Okay.
Okay, so if we have this kind of a problem statement, then it would be very easy for us to understand,
Yeah.
like framing a problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get into another industry that is a e-commerce domain. Correct.
Okay.
So we'll get on e-commerce domain. So let's get dive into it. Okay. So
Yeah.
imagine, okay, there is an online store.
Mm-hmm.
They wanted to increase their sale.
Yeah.
So what would you do for it? Hmm? What
Increase
would
the
you do
sales. Yeah.
as a person?
Or like who is buying the most product from the e-commerce website, their e-commerce website or
Hmm.
app, and what the customer is mostly liking, and how data will help them.
What are the WH questions you will ask? Who, what, why, and how? What questions will you ask for?
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, who is your regular customers,
Hmm.
what kind of products they are liking,
No,
um,
no.
and uh,
Product is the glasses, no?
yeah. Okay, you are saying
What the
lens
lens
card.
card? Let's say there is
Yeah.
a lens card. Lens cards want to increase their sale,
Yeah.
right? So first of all, their customers are like buying glasses only, one product,
Mm,
like niches glasses only.
yeah.
Then next, what you need to ask? What is the problem? Sales means what? Low conversion rate, low sales.
Okay.
Why is it happening, and how can
Who's
data help? Maybe the
yeah.
website is hard to navigate. Maybe analyzing user behavior on the website.
Mm,
Need to ask this one.
okay.
Okay, so finally we can frame the problem statement.
Okay.
So this should go something like this.
How can we increase the sales and improve?
By
Okay.
improving the user experience on our website,
Yeah.
okay, or app, or web app, or mobile app, or whatever.
Yeah. Adding some features maybe attract the customers.
Yeah. So
Like
let's not
not saying
forget.
the problem statement, just giving the yeah.
Okay. So let's. So this was the thing all about for the lens card e-commerce part you can think of. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's talk about little bit finance domain. Okay,
Okay.
finance domain so that you will understand. So let's finally see. Suppose a bank wants to reduce a loan default.
Mm-hmm.
As a data analyst, what are the questions that would you ask?
Loan deposits.
Yes.
Okay.
WH questions what you will ask.
For loan deposits, like the first who is have a good credit score, who has a and who has most like a large amount of transactions in their bank.
No, I'm talking about default. Who borrowed the money?
Okay, suppose bank want to reduce the loan default. Okay,
So, what are the things that would you ask to solve this problem? You would ask this kind of question, correct? Who is defaulting? What is the problem? Why is it happening? And how can data help?
okay,
So, these are the things if you target it. So, this will be, we can frame the problem statement, try to spread.
yeah,
So, problem statement, how it will be, how can we reduce the loan defaults by
yeah.
identifying high risk borrowers early in the lending process?
Like how can we reduce the loan default by okay,
Identifying the high risk borrowers early in the lending process.
yeah,
Okay,
yes.
so at the last part, the last and foremost, will take from a tech industry, okay,
Mhm.
tech company, so that you will understand what we are talking about.
Okay.
So imagine a tech company
Mhm.
wants to improve the app performance.
Okay.
What are the WH questions would you ask as a data analyst? Imagine
Mhm.
tech company wants to improve the app performance.
Mhm.
What are the set of WH questions would you ask?
Okay. Okay. Who? Just give me a second.
So no worries. I will
That economic want to
I will
improve
ask
app performance.
this type of a question. Who is affected? What is the problem? Why is it happening? And how can data help? By analyzing the app usage and crash reports, we'll try to
Okay.
reach with the framing the problem. Correct.
Yeah.
How can we improve the performance by identifying and fixing the bottlenecks in the code? That would be the
Okay.
problem statement here. Correct.
Yeah.
This is done now. All right. So,
Yes.
if let us summarize this, whatever we have discussed. This. So,
Okay.
we need to first of all, what are the things in us we need to understand step by step plan that you have to understand that whenever you wanted to frame a problem statement, these are the steps that you need to take it as a data analyst. Okay,
Okay.
got it? See, ask WH questions to understand the problem. Identify the stakeholders who is affected. Define the problems clearly and concisely. Determine how the data can help to solve this problem. And write a problem statement in a such a way that easy to understand and actionable. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is a summary of it, whatever we discussed today.
Yeah.
Okay, you got to understand, correct?
Yes, Akash.
Okay, so this is what the total learnings altogether. What is a problem statement?
Yeah.
How to frame a problem statement. If anybody from this particular channel, if they wanted to understand, so
Yeah.
they can understand what is a problem statement, how to frame it, whether it is a healthcare, whether it is a gaming, whether it is an e-commerce or finance or tech. The clear problem statement is the first step to solve any particular data missed, correct? If
Yes.
anyone found this particular session useful, they can share and subscribe to our channel, correct?
Yeah.
So it will be more fun and easy data analytics tips. So if they have any questions, they can drop a comment below. So what the problem they wanted to like solve with the data. Okay. So
Okay.
like next time whenever they are asking, they will be keep analyzing and exploring. They will be very curious about. Okay.
Hmm.
So that's it about this particular session.
Yeah.
Like this was right.
Yeah. Like a way of thinking very differently, observing the things from various perspective.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So this is what the thing is. So do you think that these are the things we can go in things? It will help us.
Yes. Yes.
Can we have a session like drawing some flow diagrams that will help us?
Yeah.
Let me take this one minute. So we'll take a hero board. Okay.
Hmm.
So where we can have a flow. So you can
Yeah.
parallel
It.
the
Yeah. It can generate also. No. If you give the input, it can generate the code set also. No.
yeah. So let me mind map what we were using. Mind map only, right?
Yes.
Otherwise blank book.
Yeah.
Create it in book. Alright. Create what we can create? Diagram.
Yes.
Sticky notes.
Mm-hmm.
And let me these are the things I will remove. So let us generate the sticky notes. So
What you are asking, Akash?
it's asking like your credits is over. Okay.
Okay.
So no issues. Let me come up with
Okay.
generated diagram at least.
What is
It is also not like
Yeah.
renew from March 1st. Okay, fine, no issues, no issues in that. So,
Yeah.
what you do is try to curate this, okay, by saying this particular video. I will
Okay, Akash.
sharing this in a YouTube channel itself, so you can go back, try to.
Okay, Akash. Got it.
Okay, so if you like this particular like session, like kind of things, how do you rate these sessions? Do you think Like this way we can go, then you will try to understand, or like how is it?
Yeah, these things nobody talks about. Yes, they teach the skills required. Like the skills means the course, like the topics only they discuss. They don't go into this detail matter. What the problem statement. This all those things. Like I would like five. If the rating is five, I will rate by five. 5 by 5 for this.
Okay. So, what do you think that this kind of a session that we need to talk about it, correct?
Yeah.
Like how we can convert the business problem into data problem,
Yes.
correct? So,
Yeah.
this is what the thing is all about, right? So,
Yeah.
no one is talking about because they don't know the reality into the industry, correct? They have not worked all together.
Yes.
That's what I feel.
Yeah.
So, these are the things we have to focus on that.
Okay.
So tomorrow's video will take like this only. Okay. So
Okay.
there will be a converting a business problem,
Mm-hmm.
and how can we convert the business problem statement, and how can we convert business problem statement to a data problem statement.
Okay.
Okay, so that will able to understand. Okay, so what is the solution as a data person? We need to do it.
Okay.
Okay, so actually we are talking about the data sense, right?
Yeah.
So after that, we're gonna do that. Payment. Okay, so everything is okay. No issues. So tomorrow we'll talk about this. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Akash, I got an idea.
hmm,
What we are doing, if we are explaining this about every topic we discuss, every new topic every day now,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
exploring new things now
Yeah.
related to the data analyst only now.
Hmm.
Core motive to for the data analyst job. What I do, I noted everything what we had in the session. I will make a LinkedIn post and add a description and tag your name. We had a session with Akash.
Yes.
These
Correct. Correct.
things are these things are we do, and this post will not be for this only post. Every day I do post and tag you. These things are we discuss with diagrams and all these things I post on that LinkedIn.
Yeah, that will be the great actually. Yeah.
Because what will happen is I can track my journey.
Yes. Yes.
I can connect with more peoples
Yes.
uh, and they ask questions for me for asking that questions. I think about that and like I can use it as the problem statement there only.
Yes. Yes.
Then I can help I can solve their problems if I can understand what the problem is.
Hmm.
And in that solving the problem I get to know what this is about.
Hmm.
I'm get exposure to that things.
Yeah, correct, correct, correct. Okay, so this will help you out in latter sense. Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll not go into the depth today only. Okay, so
Okay.
little by little tomorrow I will be going to do that. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Akash, can you share this Excel drawer to me?
you can just check it, no? Like check it in the but
Okay, Akash. Okay, Akash.
it is not
Fine, fine. That will be fine also.
like it is not shareable actually.
Okay.
This is the thing. So you can just check the sessions and document it. Like that is what
Sure,
I
Akash.
like.
I will document myself. Yeah.
Okay, great,
Okay,
great.
Akash.
Then
Yeah.
Rajesh, bye.
Okay, Akash. Wait, Akash, you stop the recording.
Yeah.
Yesterday you slept fast, Akash. I called you at like 9:30.
No, I was not there. Like
Okay, okay.
the TV. I don't know.
Yeah. What
Even I
happened
don't
is
respond.
yeah.
Even if the mobile is ringing, I will not respond to it.
Okay.